Like most things in life, a lot goes on behind the scenes. Every working elephant is forced through this horrific process known as the crush to learn obedience.
The aim here is not to make you feel bad if you've ever watched an elephant perform in a show or ridden on its back. Rather, we want to share this information and spread the word so that we can all stop this practice from continuing in the future.
For the past week, Rose and I have been volunteering at Elephant Nature Park.
We've spent our time working, feeding, and caring for some of the 80 elephants that get to call this sanctuary home.
Do you love elephants? Here's what you can do to help.
The Elephant Nature Park isn't just home to elephants. There are also water buffalo, pigs, cats, dogs, horses, and monkeys here.
The only way to improve animal tourism is to educate and change the demand.